Hello, my name is Casey Briggs, and this is a 321 casting video assignment. So to start off, if the slideshow works, there we go. Three things that I ended up learning after the readings of the videos. The first thing was about what the transactional distance theory is and what it actually means, because before these readings videos, I had never heard of it before. Second thing was how there are different pairs of that theory that it can conclude. So there's the high dialogue, low structure. Or it could be high dialogue, high structure, and different outcomes. And like when those things happen, what comes out of them and what they actually mean. And the third thing is actually the importance of the theory, because I feel like as online learning is getting more and more popular, that the way these classes are being organized and structured and everything is going to become very important here soon. Two things I found interesting. So the first thing is Maggie Fallon's video about maintaining trust and how she does it. Just listening to it, I liked some of the ways she's had, and I just found it really interesting, like her idea on the subject. And the second thing is the amount of data that was found, because both those readings were 15 pages, and just the amount of research that's gone into it and everything that's been put into it, it's just really cool to see. And finally, one question about the transactional distance is, well, I guess this would be more towards maintaining trust, but since this is an online class, I was wondering, Professor Froman, what are some ways that you maintain trust with your students, and some of your favorite ways of doing it? And that is it. Thank you.